Welcome back. It is tax season. Do you make less than $79,000 a year? You and your spouse makes less than $79,000 a year. You can free file. Do not pay somebody to file your tax returns. I'm saying that as someone who files tax returns for people. If you can do it for free, do it for free. I'm going to show you how today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you how to go in, look at the limitations, figure out who to file with, and what to do. Okay, it is the 2024 tax filing season, and IRS has a free file program. This program has existed for a long time. It's gotten better. The IRS has made it a lot easier. Some years there are more providers, some years there are less providers, but overall there are tons of options. So let's look at it together. Again, do you qualify? The main qualifying factor is that your adjusted gross income is less than $79,000 or less a year. That's individual and family. So what do you need to get started? First of all, you want to make sure that you have last year's tax return. This is a must. And you also need to have a valid Social Security number for yourself, your spouse, any dependents, and basically anyone that is applicable to your tax return. How this works is first you need to make sure that you're going to the IRS's website. You can't go to the companies that are associating themselves to and providing this service with the IRS because it's not going to be free. You have to go through the IRS's portal in order to make it free. So then you're going to be directed to that partner site from the IRS's website, and you're going to prepare e-file, and then you'll receive a confirmation email. So everything happens through in the partner's website, but you need to start on irs.gov. Now that we are in the IRS's website, I just Googled IRS free file. It takes you straight to this page, irs.gov/filing/free file, do your federal taxes for free. What you want to do is you want to scroll down, and there's tons of videos on here to show you what to do, but I'm going to give you a little tour. So first things first is you want to click on Explore Free Guided Tax Software. This is where you'll see who's providing free tax services. So what you want to do is you want to see where you fit. So what state you live in, if you have state taxes, if and how much money you make, whether you're military, or what other exceptions you might qualify for. So when we look at this first one here on the left, you can see that the adjusted gross income to qualify for a free tax return with this specific easytaxreturn.com provider, you want to make 79,000 or less. You can be any age. Federal return free in some states. So you want to open that up and you want to make sure you're looking for your state. Is federal return free in some states? No free state tax return in any state for this one. So this one actually doesn't have any free returns. This one has free federal returns only in these states. So what that means is if you live in any of these states and you make less than $79,000 or less, they can do your tax return, but you're going to have to pay them to complete your state return. Okay, and then the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC, is included if your AGI and residency criteria are met. So that AGI, 79,000. And then military pay included if AGI and residency criteria are met. So again, if you're military, it's dependent on different terms and conditions that they have that you'll only know once you visit the Trusted Partner site. So this one's, I don't know. I wouldn't go with that one right away because it just has a lot of limitations. Free Tax USA, your AGI has to be $45,000 or less, and you can be any age. For federal returns, it's free in all states, and state returns, it's free. The EITC is included if AGI criteria is met, and then military is included. So this one has a little less limitations. If you make less than $45,000 a year, I could go with this one, right off the bat without even looking at anything else. But you probably want to check out what the other options are. I'm going to hop around and look for one that I saw that I thought was good, a really good offer here. Here we go. So I thought 1040.com was good. Your adjusted gross income has to be between 17,000 and 79. Sorry, screen moves a lot. between 17,000 and 79,000, you can be any age, free return for federal, and then there's a free return for only these states. So if you're in these states, the ITC is included, military is included. If you're military, this one seems like a nice little package if you're in one of these states. So again, what you would do if you're going to select this is you'd visit the trusted partner site and you just create an account and you fill out everything you need. You're going to need your prior year tax return. You're going to need your social security number. You're going to need social security number of your spouse, of your children, whoever's going to be on your tax return, as well as your ID and your spouse's ID. So this is how you free file. I hope this was helpful. Let me know, comment below if you like this video and if there's any other kind of tax related or finance video that you'd like to see. Thanks.